Hello my dear students, in today's class we will learn about HCF and LCM. HCF is highest common factor and LCM is lowest common multiple. So let us start. So the first method of HCF is HCF by prime factorization. We can find out the HCF by two methods. One is prime factorization and the other is long division method. So first of all we will do the HCF by prime factorization method. So let us take an example to make it clear the concept. So that is if the 36 and 72. These are two numbers and I have to take out the HCF of these very two numbers. So first of all, as the name is indicating, prime factorization. So we will just do the prime factor. We will find it out the prime factors of 36 and the prime factors of 72. In both the numbers we will find out the factors. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So these are all the prime factors of 36, means the 36, these are the prime numbers by which we have divided this 36. Now 72, we are coming on 72. So how we will divide this 2 into 72? 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. These are the prime factors of 72. Now let us write these factors all together, 36 and 72. So what are the factors of 36? 2, 2, 3, 3. So we will write it 2, 2, 3 and 3. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Right? Now 72, 3 times 2 again and 2 times 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 3s are 72. Now let us find the common factor. Now we will find the common factor. The factor, the both numbers, the factors which is the both are number, I mean 36 and 72, both are having that factor. So we'll just see 2, again this 2 and this 3. These three numbers are common and this 3 is also common, right? 2, 36 is also having 2, 72 is also having 2, 36 is again having 2, 3, 3 2 times 3 and this is also having 2 times 3. So we will write these common factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 3s are 36. So HCF is 36. This is the first method by which we just find it out the HCF, that is highest common factor. Now one more example I'll take to make it more clear. The prime factorization method. Now see the 25 and 125. The same prime factorization method. See, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 1s are 5 and it is over. Now coming to this 125, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Now we will write all the factors. 25 is having 5 multiplied by 5 and 125 it is having 5, 5 and 5, that is 3 times 5. Now we will find it out the common factor. Now this 5, both the numbers are having. This 5, both the numbers are having. So we will write 5 into 5, that is 25. So HCF is 25 and this method is called prime factorization method. Right? Now coming on HCF. the second method, HCF by division method. Now how we will find out the HCF by division method? Now see, if I'm just taking the example of 20, 30 and 40. Suppose 20, 30 and 40. I'm having three numbers and I have to find it out the HCF of these very three numbers. Then the method is division. It is not prime factorization, it is division. So how we will do? First of all, we will opt these two numbers. And this 20 is smaller than 30. So we will divide this 30 with this 20. So 20 ones are 20. 10 is the remainder. Now here just understand. Always remember, it is remainder. And when we are just opting the division method of HCF, every time the remainder become the divisor and the divisor become the dividend. So whatever we get here, 10, now we will just divide this 20 with this 10. Right? So this is the divisor here, but when we just come over here, it becomes the dividend. And whatever be the remainder, it becomes the divisor. So 10 twos are 20. 10 is the number we get. Now we are having the three numbers 20 and 30. The HCF of 20 and 30 is 10. But we are having one more number. So whatever we get here, that is 10. So we will divide this 40 with this 10. So 10 fours are 40. So the last divisor is 10. So HCF is 10. Now one more example. I'll take one more example to make it more clear. HCF by division method. Suppose I'm just taking 12, 20 and 36. There are three numbers and I'm just doing the HCF by prime factorization method. So I just dropped first two numbers. In out of these two, 12 is lesser. So we will just make the divisor 12. Dividing 20 by 12. 12 ones are 12. 10 minus 2, 8. Now this is the remainder and now remainder become the divisor and the divisor become the dividend. Yes, so 12. Now 8 ones are 8. 4. We got 4. Now the remainder is 4. So again the remainder become the divisor and this is dividend. 4 twos are 8. So the last divisor is 4. The last number by which we divide is 4. So now we will just pick the 4 from here and our number is left is 36. So we will just divide 36 with this 4. 4 nines are 36. So the HCF is 4. And this method is called prime. This method is called division method. And the first method was prime factorization. And this is the second method. Now if you can see that these three numbers are here. And if we will just do the prime factorization, should we get the same answer? Let us try. We will check whether we will get the same answer. I am just writing the HCF is 4 here. HCF is 4 here. So we can check whether we will just do the prime factorization method, I mean the other method. So the answer will be the same or not. So let us try prime factorization method for this question. So I am finding it out. The prime factors, that is 2 6s are, 2 3s are and 3 1s are. Right. Here 2 1s are, 2 5s are and 5 1s are. Okay. Now 36 again we can divide this number by 2 because at ones place this is 6. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now we will write all the factors of all three numbers. This is 2, 2 and 3. Here 20, 2, 2 5. Here 36. And the factors are 2, 2, 3 and 3. Now let us check the common factor. Which number, the which factor all three numbers are having. So this is 2, 2, 2. In all three cases the 2 is there. So we will write 2. Again 2, 2 and 2. So we will write 2. 3, but this 20 is not having 3. So we cannot write 3. And this 5, nobody is having the 5. So the HCF is 2 2s are 4. So this is prime factorization. And this is division method of the same question. If you are doing the division method, you will get the same answer. And this is the way we are just doing the division method. And this is the prime factorization by which the same answer we will get here. Now coming on HCF we have done. Now coming on LCM. This is LCM. Now we will do LCM. This is least, or you can say lowest common multiple. In a better way, you can understand very easily what is multiple. Whatever the tables you people are doing, it is a multiple. You are doing the multiple. Suppose 2 ka table. So the first multiple of 2, 2 1s are 2. Second multiple, 2 2s are 4. Third multiple, 2 3s are 6. So these are the multiples. Now we will do the least or the lowest common multiple. So with the example, we will better understand this. Suppose I am taking the number 48, 64 and 50. Now again two methods are there. First is prime factorization. As we have done in our HCF, the prime factorization method, same here the prime factorization method in LCM. How we will do this? 48 prime factor, again we will just find it out the prime factors. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. These are all very prime factors. Here 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. This is prime factors of 64. Now coming to 50. Now we cannot divide it with 2. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Now we will just write factors all together. 48, 2 2 2 2, 1 2 3 4 times 2 and 3. So 1 2 3 4 and 3. Now 64 we can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Here it is 50. So we can write 2 5 into 5. Now we are just going to find it out, the LCM. Now LCM of this 48, 64 and 50, we will find out the common factors. First 2, 2 and 2. So we will write 2. Right? This 2, this 2. So we will write 2. Now just look at here that when we are doing the HCF, we will just find out the common factor. And here we are just finding out whosoever is common in among all these three. Right? Now this 2 and this 2, so we will write 2. This 2, this 2, so we will write 2. Now after this, whatever it has been left, that is 3, 2, 2, 5, 5. All the numbers we will write. After this, all the numbers we will write. Now see, 3 is left, so we will write 3. 2 is left, so we will write 2. This 2 is also left, we will write this 2. 5 is left, we will write 5. This 5 is left, we will write 5. And then we will multiply these all very numbers. If you will multiply, you will get 4800. And this is the LCM. Right? So, you have seen the difference between HCF and LCM. That in HCF we were just taking it out the common factors only. Here we are first taking it out whatever the common factor in among all these three, right? And after this whatever it has been left, we have also copied that also, and then we multiply. This is the prime factorization method of LCM. Now the second method, again second method as we have done, that is division method. For division method, just to understand the division method, we will take some example and just make it clear how we will do the LCM by division method. Suppose 10, 50 and 70. So there is a sum 10, 50 and 70. So we will write all three numbers all together. It is not like the HCF. In HCF, one by one we have done the division. But here, all three numbers we will just write all together. Now we will see that we have to choose a number by which we can divide all these three numbers, or at least two numbers, right? So I feel like 2. So 2 5s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now I am finding it out that if I choose the number 5, so we can divide all three numbers. So I choose 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are. Now 5 is a prime number, so it will come into its own table. 7 is again a prime number, so it will come in its own table. So the LCM will be 2 multiplied by 5, multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 7. So we will just do the multiplication of all these three and then we will get the answer. 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50 and 50 7s are 350. So LCM will be 350. Again, one more example I'll take to make it more clear to you. This is the division method. Now if you want to check this with the prime factorization method, you can also check. We can find it out. The 350 here, we just find it out the 350. 350 is the LCM. Now we can check it out whether we will get the same factors or not. Let us see. 10, 2 5s are. This is we are doing the prime factorization method. 5 1s are. Now the second number was 50. So 2 and then 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. And the last number was 70. So 2 3s are. And then 5 7s are and 7 1s are. Now you will see this 2 and this 2. So we will write this 2. We will write this 2. After this 5 and this 5 and this 5. So we will write this 5. Now whatever it is left, 5 and 7. 5 and 7. So the answer will be same.